Stuck in an idea rut? There's a way out. Have you ever felt stuck, like your creative well has run dry? We've all been there. That frustrating feeling when you need a brilliant idea but your mind draws a blank. It's like trying to start a car with a dead battery. But don't worry, there's hope. What if I told you there's a new tool that can help? A tool that can jumpstart your imagination and unlock a world of possibilities. No, it's not magic, it's artificial intelligence, AI. AI is changing the world around us, and now it can revolutionize the way we brainstorm. It's like having a thought partner, available 24/7, ready to help you break free from creative ruts and explore uncharted territories. Intrigued? Let's dive in and see how AI can become your secret weapon for generating innovative ideas, no matter your experience level. Think of AI as a brainstorming buddy, a digital assistant that can help you generate fresh ideas and solve problems in exciting new ways. But how does it work? Imagine you want to invent a new kitchen gadget. You tell the AI your goal, then the AI can generate a bunch of prompts, questions or statements designed to spark your creativity. For example, the AI might ask, what are common frustrations people experience in the kitchen? Or it might suggest, design a gadget that combines the functions of a blender and a food processor. These prompts act as starting points, encouraging you to think outside the box and explore different angles of your challenge. Before you unleash the power of AI brainstorming, take a moment to define your goals. What problem are you trying to solve? What are you hoping to create? Let's say you're a teacher looking for new ways to engage your students in history lessons. Your goal is clear, to make history come alive in the classroom. With your goal in mind, you can now turn to AI for assistance in generating creative and effective solutions. Section 4: AI in action, from prompts to breakthroughs. Now let's see how AI can help you generate those aha moments. First, start with a clear goal like we did with the teacher wanting to make history engaging. Then, AI generates prompts. The AI might suggest, what if students could interview historical figures? Or, can you create an escape room experience based on a historical event? Next, challenge modifiers. To push your thinking further, add constraints. The AI can help here too. Imagine asking it to add a sustainability angle to your history project. After that, combine ideas. Mix and match different prompts and constraints. Perhaps the escape room focuses on solving a historical environmental challenge. Finally, test feasibility. Not all ideas are winners, but that's okay. AI can even help you research and evaluate your ideas for practicality. Section 5: Unleash your inner innovator. Remember, AI is a tool. It's here to help you, not replace your creativity. The real magic happens when you combine the power of AI with your own unique experiences, knowledge, and imagination. Don't be afraid to experiment, play, and have fun with it. The more you use AI for brainstorming, the more you'll discover its potential to unlock your next big idea. So go ahead, embrace the power of AI and unleash your inner innovator.